Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal so the motor won't move while you work. Next, remove the minimal panels blocking the headlight, often an inner splash shield or a few bumper clips, so you can reach the rear of the headlamp assembly. Once you have clear access, unclip the headlamp connector and release any retaining tabs. Make sure to keep fasteners organized. This gives you a direct line to the motor and prevents accidental damage as you proceed to unbolt the unit. You now remove the old motor. Back out the 2-3 mounting screws holding it to the headlamp gear housing, keeping washers and noting which screw went where. Once bolts are loose, disconnect the motor connector and carefully free the motor from the gear. If it binds, rotate the headlamp by hand to align gears and ease removal. Install the new motor in the exact orientation, push the gears fully engaged, then hand thread bolts before tightening to avoid cross-threading and ensure smooth gear mesh. Once the new motor is secured, reconnect the electrical connector and the negative battery terminal. You should test the headlight adjustment through its full travel. Use the switch or calibration tool and watch for smooth, consistent movement. Make sure there is no binding. If all works, reinstall shields and fasteners in reverse order. If you hear a hum but no movement, stop. That indicates stripped gears or misalignment. Remove the assembly, inspect the gear teeth, and replace or realign parts before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.